Standard 5 Maths Chapter number 13 Ways to multiply and divide. Textbook page number 173 Karunya the contractor. In your textbook on this page number 173, one picture is given and three lands, garden A, garden B and garden C is given. Garden A, its length and breadth 27 by 28. Garden B, 36 by 12. Garden C, 27 by 19. The next page, on page number 174, some question answers are given that we will solve. Find the area of all the three gardens. So to find out the area, what we will do? The formula of area, length multiply by breadth, L into B. Garden A, garden B and garden C. So first we will find out the area of garden A, B and C. Garden A, what is the length and breadth of garden A? It is 27 by 28. Area of garden A is equal to L into B, length multiplied by breadth. So 27 multiplied by 28. So let's do multiplication here. 27 by 28. We will start from 2. So right side of 2, 1 digit. For that we will put here 1 0. Then we will start from 2. 2 with 7. 2 sevens are 14. 4 is here and 1 is carrying forward. Then 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. Once again 0, 7 2s are 14, 4 is here, 1 is carrying forward and then 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. Next 8's turn, right side of 8 no digits are there. So we will not write any 0. 8 sevens are 56. 6 is here and 5 is carrying forward. Then 2's turn. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5, it is 21. Right here 21. So 0 plus 6, 6. 4 plus 1, 5 and 5 plus 2, 7. 756. So the area of garden A is equal to 756 square centimeter. Now area of garden B. Area of garden B. Length multiplied by breadth. So what is the length? It is 36 multiplied by 12. Let's see, look here. 36 multiplied by 12. Let's multiply 36 by 12. We'll start from 1. So right side of 1, 1 digit. For that we'll put 1 0. 1 with 6 and then 1 with 3. 1 का multiply 6 के साथ, उसके बाद 3 के साथ. So 1 6 are 6. And 1 3s are 3. Now 2's turn. Right side of 2, no digits are there. So no need to put any 0. 2 6 are 12. 2 is here. 1 is carrying forward. Now 6 after 3's turn. 2 with 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. Then we'll add this both answer. 0 plus 2, 2, 6 plus 7, 13, 1 is carrying forward and 3 plus 1, 4, 432. So the area of garden B is 432 square centimeter. Now we will find the area of garden C. Length multiplied by breadth. What is the length and breadth? It is 27 and 19. So, we will multiply 27 multiplied by 19. Let's multiply here. 27 multiplied by 19. We'll start from which number? 1. So, 1 and after 1 right side only 1 digit. So, for that we will write 1 0. Now, 1 with 7, 1 sevens are 7 and 1 twos are 2. One's turn is over. Next 9. After 9, right side of 9, no digits are there, so no need to write any 0. 9 with 7, 9 sevens are 63. 3 is here, 6 is going forward. 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. So 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6, 24. Let's count 18s and 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Then we will add this both. Answer 0 plus 3, 3. 7 plus 4, it is 11. And 2 and 2, 4 and 1, 5. 513. So the area of garden C is 513 square centimeter. Next question. He kept the work of garden A at rate of ₹95 for a square meter. Means जो काम करते हैं वो गार्डन ए क्या है 95 रुपीज़ देता है पर स्क्वायर मीटर. गार्डन बी at ₹110 for a square meter and garden C at ₹120 for a square meter. How much amount will he get for this whole work? Okay, this rate is given for 1 square meter for per square means 1 square meter. We have to find for garden A 756 square meter, then garden B 432 square meter and garden C 513 square meter. So हमको क्या करना है कि here garden A, garden B and garden C per square meter amount is given. कि वर्क करते हो उस गार्डन में जो भी वर्क करते हैं उसके मनी उसके रेट क्या है 95, 110 and 120 for 1 square meter. So how we will find for 1 square meter 95 rupees. So for 756 square meter how many? For 1 square meter garden be 110 rupees. So for 432 square meter how many? And same thing for 120. So what we will do? We will multiply. First, cost of 1 square meter of garden A. For garden A, it is ₹95. We have to find for 756 square meter. 1 square meter का ₹95 है. So 750 square meter का कितना? What we will do? We will multiply. 756 multiplied by 95. 756 multiplied by 95. Directly also we can do. Let's do multiply. We'll start from 9. So after 9 right side 1 digit. For that we'll put 1 0. 9 with 6. 9 का multiply 6 के साथ, फिर 5 के साथ, फिर 7 के साथ. 9 6 are 54. 4 is here and 5 is carrying forward. Then 5's turn. 9 5s are 45. First 0 रखा, then 9 का टर्न 6 के साथ. 9 6 are 54. 4 is here and 5 is carrying forward. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 5 it is 50. 0 is here and 5 is carrying forward. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 5. 63 के अंदर 5 ऐड करो 68. So First 9's turn is over. Now whose turn? 5's turn. After 5 no digits are there, so we will not put any 0. 5 6 then 5 and then 7. 5 का मल्टीप्लाई पहले 6 के साथ, फिर 5 के साथ, फिर 7 के साथ. 5 6 30. 0 is here and 3 is carrying forward. Then 5 5 are 25. Once again 5 6 are 30 आया, so we keep 0 here and 3 carrying forward. Then 5 5 are 25. So 25 plus 3. 25 plus 3 it is 28. 8 is here and 2 is carrying forward. Then 5 7s are 35. So 35 plus 2 it is 37. Then what we will do? We will add both of them. 0 plus 0 0. 4 plus 8 12. 1 is carrying forward. 7 plus 0 0 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 it's a 9 10 and 11. And 6 plus 1 7. So the cost of 756 square meter of field A of garden A is rupees 71,820. Rupees 71,820. So like that we will find out the cost of garden B. Cost of garden B is equal to, directly we can do, what is the rate of garden B? 110. And total square meter how much? It is 432 square meter and per square meter 110 rupees. Total square meter 432 और उसका रेट कितना है? 110. Let's check here. Square B, garden B 432 total square meter है और for garden B what is the rate? Rupees 110. So ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 432 total square multiply by 110. Let's do here. 432 by 110. Now we'll start from this 0. Then this place 1. So 1 after how many digits are there? 2 digits, 1 and 2. For that we'll write to 0. Then 1 का multiply 2 के साथ, 3 के साथ, 4 के साथ. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. One's turn is over. Now this one's turn. उसका turn आया. Now if we will do this one, then after this one how many digits are there at right side? 1 की after right side में 1 digit है. For that we'll put 1 0. Then again we'll multiply 1 with 2. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3 and 1 4s are 4. 0's turn, but multiply with 0 with any number, answer will be 0. So we will not do. 0, 2, 5, 7, 4. 47,520. So cost of garden B is rupees 47,520. Same the cost of garden C. So what is the amount? It is 513. टोटल स्क्वायर मीटर 513 है और उसकी प्राइस कितनी है? 120 रुपीज़. गार्डन सी टोटल 113 स्क्वायर मीटर एंड रुपीज़ 120 फॉर अ स्क्वायर मीटर. एक स्क्वायर मीटर का 120 है, सो 530 का कितना? हाउ मच? फॉर दैट वी विल डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 120. लेट्स डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 513 multiply by 120. We'll start with this one. So 1 after 2 digit. For that we'll do 0. 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1 and 1 5s are 5. 2's turn. So 2 after at right side 1 digit. For that we will put 1 0. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. 0. So multiply with 0 any number. Answer will be 0 only. So no need to write. We'll add this both answers. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 6 6. 3 plus 1 4. 1 plus 0 1. 5 plus 1 6. 61,460. Sorry, here 2 ones are 2. So 61,560. So the cost of garden B is equal to rupees 61,560. So here we found that the cost of garden A, garden B and garden C. Now what we have to do? How much amount will he get for this whole work? Garden A, B and C तीनों का एडिशन करो. So garden A 71,820 cost. It is for garden A. For garden B it is 47,520 and garden C 61,560. So total करना है. For that what we will do? Add. Simple thing. The total cost we will write here. The total cost of all the field, all the garden is equal to rupees 71,820 plus rupees 47,520 and plus rupees 61,560 and total is 1,80,900. Simple addition है that you can do it yourself. So we can write the answer. How much amount will he get for this whole work? He will get 1,80,900 rupees for whole this work. Second, Tulsi and her husband work on Karunya's garden. करुण्या का ही गार्डन है, उसके अंदर तुलसी एंड हर हस्बैंड दोनों काम करते हैं. करुण्या पेज रुपीज 225 टू तुलसी. तुलसी को 225 रुपीज देता है एंड 258 रुपीज टू हर हस्बैंड पर डे. 1 डे का इतना देता है. टू तुलसी 225 एंड टू हर हस्बैंड 258. इफ तुलसी वर्क फॉर 49 days, how much money does she get? Okay, for 1 day Karunya gave 225 rupees. For 1 day 225 rupees. So for 49 days how many? Let's count. For that what we will do? We will multiply. 1 day का है for 225 days multiply by 49. Why we multiply? Because for 1 day 49 we have to find for 225 rupees. Okay? For 1 day 225 rupees we have to find for 49 days. Multiply करना है. So let's do multiplication. 225 multiply by 49. What is this? This is the amount for 1 day. For 1 day 225 rupees. So for 49 days how much? For that we will do multiplication. 4 से start करेंगे. So 4 after 9 1 digit. For that 1 0. 4 5s are 20. 2 is going forward. 4 2s are 8 and 2 10. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. Then 9's done. 9 after no digit. So no need to write any 0. 9 5s are 45. 4 is going forward. 9 2s are 18. 18 से 4 22. 2 is here and 2 is going forward. 9 2s are 18. 19 and 20. Let's add this both. 2 0 and 11. So 11,025 rupees. So rupees 11,025. Tulsi works for 49 days, then rupees 11,025 she will get of 49 days. Same thing, if her husband work for 42 days, उसका husband 42 days काम करता है, then how much money does he get? But his husband get rupees 258 per day. How to do? 258 multiply by days कितने? 42. For per one day 258, so 42 days के कितने? Let's do multiplication. 258 multiply by 42. 258 रुपीज़ है एंड 42 डेज है, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो. We'll write 10. Why 10? Because we will start from 4. After 4, 1 digit. For that, we'll put 10. 4 8s are 32. 2 is here and 3 is carrying forward. 4 5s are 20 plus 3 23. 2 is carrying forward. 4 2s are 8 and 2 10. 4 2s are 8 and 2 10. 2's turn. 2 after no digit, so no need to write any 0. 2 8s are 16. 6 is here. 1 is carrying forward. 2 5s are 8 का turn, 5 का turn, then 2 का turn. 2 8s are 16 का turn over. 2 5s are 10 and 1 11. 1 is carrying forward. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. We'll add this both number. 0 plus 6 6. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 5 8. 0 and 1. So rupees 10,836. So her husband will get rupees 10,836. Find the money they earn together. They earn together. That Tulsi and her husband दोनों together means what we will do? We will add both digit. दोनों digit को ऐड करेंगे. सो बोथ टुगेदर दोनों को ऐड करते हैं. 11,025 प्लस 10,836. 11 then 6 8 1 and 2. Simple addition. So both together will get rupees 21,861. Next page, page number 175. I saw this in newspaper. Different contractor have declared different rates for a day's work. Day's work यानी कि एक दिन में कितनी मजदूरी मिलेगी. Wages for one day. Wages means मजदूरी. Contractor A gives rupees 285 per day. Contractor B gives rupees 267 per day. Contractor C gives rupees 237 per day. Contractor D gives rupees 279 per day. Let's see the question answers. This table shows the amounts fixed by 4 contractors. 4 contractors A, B, C and D. A. Which contractor has paid the highest daily wages? Highest सबसे ज़्यादा 85, 67, 37, 79. Which one? Contractor A. So for this here, in short form, we can write contractor A. Which contractor has paid the lowest? Lowest किसने? 67. ये तो आ गया. Highest है 67, 37, 79. 37. So lowest contractor C. Highest contractor, highest wages contractor A and lowest wages contractor C. B. Tulsi works for 8 weeks at the contractor B. How much will she earn? अब तुलसी है वो 8 weeks contractor B के वहाँ काम करती है. अब contractor B कितना देता है? रुपीज़ 267 per day. We have to find for 8 weeks. So first what we have to do? ये per day का दिया है. We have to find for 1 week. We have to find for 1 week first and then we will find for the 8 weeks. Now contractor B gives rupees 267 per day. So 1 day is equal to 267. We have to find for 7 days. Why 7 days? We have to find for 1 week first. 1 week का सर्च करेंगे. For that what we will do? We will multiply. एक की वैल्यू दी है, ज़्यादा की सर्च करनी है. So multiplication 267 multiply by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 9 is here, 4 is carrying forward. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 4. 42 के अंदर 4 ऐड करो. So 42 से 43, 44, 45 and 46. 4 is carrying forward. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4, it is 18. So rupees 1869. Rupees 1869 for 1 week. 1 week के अंदर रुपीज़ 1869 वो उसको मिलता है. We can write 1 week is equal to rupees 1869. So we have to find for how many weeks? For 8 weeks. So let's write here 8 weeks is equal to how many? 1 की वैल्यू दी है, ज़्यादा की सर्च करनी है. 1 वीक के इतने रुपीज़ से 8 वीक्स के कितने? So what we will do? We will multiply. Let's multiply here. 9 8s are 72. 7 is here. 2 is carrying forward. Now 6 turn. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 7, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 and 55. 5 is here and 5 is carrying forward. Now 8's turn. 8 8s are 64 plus 5. 64 के अंदर 5 ऐड करो. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. 9 is here and 6 is carrying forward. 8 1s are 8 and 6, it is 14. So rupees 14,952. So we can say that Tulsi will get rupees, she will earn rupees 14,952 for 8 week. 8 week के कितने रुपीस मिलेंगे? 14,952. C. Tulsi's husband worked for 2.5 months. 2 months and ऊपर पूरा half months. Half months आधा month. 1 month has 30 days. So half month 30 का half करो 15 days. To contractor A. Contractor A gives rupees 285 per day. We have to find for 2.5 months. How much will he earn? So first we will find out the days of these 2.5 months. We will find out first days 2.5 months. So 2 months. 2 months. 1 month have 30 days. So 2 months 30 multiplied by 2 plus half means 15 days. 2 months 60 days plus 15. Half का 15, 75 days. Now her husband works with contractor A and contractor A gives rupees 285 per day. 285 per day का देता है. We have to find for 75 days. 1 day rupees 285. So for 75 days how many? For that we will multiply. So first we will write 0. We'll start from 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 is carrying forward. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 3, 59. 7 2s are 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5, 19. Once again 0 है. 7 से स्टार्ट किया सो 0, 7 5 are 35, 3 is carrying forward, 7 8 are 56 plus 3 59, 9 is here, 5 is carrying forward, 7 2 are 14 plus 5 it is 19. Now 5 turn, 5 के बाद कोई डिजिट नहीं है सो नो नीड टू राइट एनी 0. 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25, टू नेक्स्ट डिजिट के ऊपर कैरिंग करो, 5 8 are 40, 40 plus 2 42, then 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 4 14. Let's do addition. 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 2 7, 9 plus 4 13, 9 1 10 and 1 11 and 1 and 1 2. So Tulsi's husband will get rupees 21,375 for 2.5 months. कितने मंथ्स के? 21,375 रुपीज. D. How much more will a worker at contractor D get than a worker at contractor C after working for 9 weeks? How long it is? We have to find for 9 weeks. So contractor C and contractor D दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 करेंगे. सॉरी 9 नहीं करना है. फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड फॉर 7 मीन्स फॉर 7 days. फॉर 1 week देन वी विल फाइंड फॉर 9 weeks. और 9 weeks के बाद दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर D, दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर C on daily wages rupees 237 per day. So we will find for first 7 days. 1 day का rupees 237 है. So for 7 days multiply करना है. Then we will get answer 1659. 1 week we got this much. We have to find for 9 weeks. 1 week rupees 1659. So for 9 weeks is equal to how much? That will multiply both. This multiply by 9 and we'll get 14,931. Contractor C will give 14,931 for 9 weeks. Same thing with contractor D. It gives 1 day's wages rupees 279. 1 day 279. So first we will find for 7 days. 1 day का this much है. So for 7 days we will multiply and we will get answer 1953 for 1 week. 7 days means 1 week. 1 week 1953. So we have to find for 9 weeks. 9 weeks is equal to 1953 multiply by 9. 9 week का सर्च करना है. So we will multiply by 9 and we will get answer 17,577. Now what they asked, how much more will a worker at a contractor D get than a worker at contractor C after working for 9 weeks? So what we have to find? We have to find the difference. First worker C, ये worker C 14,931 and worker D 17,577. Who gets more? Obviously worker of contractor D. Contractor D के जो worker है उनको ज़्यादा मिलता है. How much? For that we will find the difference. Difference है worker D minus worker C और that difference is 2,646. 9 weeks का difference है worker D minus workers contractor D के worker and contractor C के worker. दोनों का difference है 9 week का and that is rupees 2,646.